Hi, Lenny. Alam mo, Iyang, unang-una sabihin ko sa'yo na masaya ako kasi hindi siya maghihiwalay tayo, kundi masaya ako at last. Nakuha mo rin yung matagal mo lang pinapaka. And kitang-kita na God really works in these experiences. Kasi I could imagine na ang tagal mo na pag-inom sa kanya. And yet, you tend to become very patient, naghintay ka. And the reward was dito pinigay sa'yo ng birthday. God is so good. God is so good. And lani mamimiss kita. Kasi hindi ka lang friend, kundi inarit kita isang anak. Alam mo, kayong dalawa ni Gino, you are really part of my life. Kasi kabahagi na kayo, tayo ka na, kabahagi ka na ng kabarba. Sa 7 taon na pinagsamahan natin, hindi biro-biro ang pinagdaanan natin. Alam mo yan. Mabait ang Diyos kasi tinulungan niya tayo. Gave us strength to move on. Sana ganyan din ang gawin mo kahit malayo ka sa family. Hingin mo sa Panginoon Diyos lagi yung lakas ng pananampalataya maging makakita sa buhay mo. At nakikita ko na nagkakaroon ako ng vision someday. We will get married. At yun na ang lifetime partner. Huwag mo kalimutan si Charlie. Hanapan mo rin ang partner. Lan, sana kung may time pa. Kaso, hindi ko alam kung mabibigyan pa ng short time lang to visit PLP mag-retire maski sa labas lang. On the free time, kay time ko ng Judy. And I'll give you the something. Something na siguro, baka i-treasure mo siya. Kung gusto ko lang this something na bibig sa iyo. Maalala mo na kasi that Mom Lawrence is always here. Mom Lawrence is always, praying for you. And so with Judy. I wish you good luck, anak. God bless and happy journey. Basta, always keep your feet on the ground. See ya, and bye-bye.
Oo, hindi na alam kung gaano ka dalit, gaano katagal. Ayun. Pero, anong tawag dito? Nagpapasalamat ako. I'm really very thankful for the kind words. I didn't know that I became that person you described kanina. Ayan, ayoko ng ganito. And if you notice, kanina pa ako tawa ng tawa because that's my defense mechanism from, preventing myself to break down. I love you. Oo. Would that be giving this speech? Ako, tsaka yung wala pa dito. As much as I would like really to gather all my friends, pero alam niyo naman siguro yung reason, ang na-invite ko lang yung talagang, the people I'm really, sabi ko nga close with, or hindi naman close with, or yung beyond reach. Okay, at this point, nakakataba naman ang puso mga video. Anytime din.
Yung lang yun.
Pero kapag iisipin ko yung mga messages mo sa akin, anytime